All right, so for these problems, what you need to decide is, are we talking about an altitude or are we talking about a side? So this one is altitude squared equals part times part. Here, it's going to be the same thing. Also altitude squared equals part times part. And this one's going to be side squared equals close part times whole. So there's our kind of setup, our overall game plan. This is 8.1 notes, if you're looking to reference this section. It's kind of one of those things that's easy at the time, and then we do so much more over the next 3 weeks that you can kind of lose this topic. So I would highly suggest that you refresh this topic. All right. Matt or Steve, pick a problem, 19, 20, or 21, and let's get it done.
20.
20. What you got for me?
8 squared equals x times 20 minus x.
Ooh, 20 minus x. We have the whole side of 20, and we have this part of x, so the missing piece is 20 minus x. Very good. Parentheses around this will help us in distributing correctly, and hopefully we'll get to a factoring problem here. I'll give you the 64. You tell me what the right side of the equation is.
20x minus x squared.
Okay? Now, if I might make a suggestion, oops, I forgot my x. If I might make a suggestion, it would be that we want the x squared to be positive, so we're going to move everything to the left. Could you get around that? Absolutely. But it's more helpful if we put everything positive that we can in front. So we're going to have x squared minus 20x plus 64 equals 0. All right, Matt, would you like to tag in, or Steve, are you going to keep going?
Oh, I can go.
Okay.
You go 16. Oh.
Yeah, you're right, 16 and?
16 and 4.
16 and 4 is your combination of things that multiply to 64 that add to 20. Remember, we want to use this sign to tell us that we're looking to add 16 and 4. And both of those signs will be
Negative.
meaning that both of our answers are
Positive.
and I think both those answers are going to play in. So again, we get that situation where this is an or, x could be 4 or x could be 16, and nothing would be any different. Nicely done. Would you like to start number 19 or 21?
19.
19, too bad, I'm going to do it for you. X squared equals 9 times 4. 9 times 4 is 36, and x is then 6. Remember, this one was different because we're talking about altitude. Oh, I'm sorry, it's the same. It's talking about altitude here as being part of the hypotenuse times the other part of the hypotenuse. All right, 21. 21?
Yes.
Yes. We've got a 16, that's a whole thing, and a 4, that's not a whole thing. What's the other not whole thing?
12.
12. Now that's not necessary for this problem, but it gives you just a little bit of, at least everything's there, and I can pull the numbers from the right spots. We're going to use the fact that side squared equals close part times whole. Go ahead.
64.
Meaning?
8.
Now technically the square root of 64 is 8 or negative 8, but since we're in geometry land, we'll just get the 8. Okay, when you get back to honors algebra 2, negative 8 needs to be in your answer here. Okay? Thank you. You'll see these problems in a couple different ways. This one, we only went north and we only went west, so we only have 16 as an up and 30 as a sideways. And a right triangle, 8, 15, 17, Pythagorean triple with a scale factor of 2. And that's going to get you a 34. We're going to skip 23. We're going to skip 24. And let's play triples and specials. All right. Let's see what we can get done in 4 minutes. Triple in question. 15, 36. Triple, triple, triple. Which one?
5, 12, 13.
5, 12, 13. Scale factor, please.
3.
Meaning answer is?
39.
Nicely done. Next one. Triple in question. We'll try to alternate as much as we can.
3, 4, 5.
3, 4, 5. Scale factor?
Half.
A half or 0.5 if you prefer. Answer.
2.
2. Will I take 4 over 2?
No.
No. All right. Triple in question.
7, 24, 25.
Remember, the biggest number has to be the hypotenuse. Scale factor, please.
2.
Answer, please.
48.
Thank you. On to 28.
Special.
Specials, good. 1, 1, root 2. 1, 1, root 2. If one of the one sides is 5, the other one side is?
5.
5. If it helps you to have the scale factor here would also be 5. And y would be 5 root 2. Matt, I've got a 30-degree angle. I've got a right angle. What's missing?
60 degrees.
60-degree angle. So we're looking for which ratio? 1, 1 root 2 or 1 square root of 3, 2. Which one?
Square root of 3.
Good. Across from the 60 square root of 3, 1 and 2. Can you tell me what either x or y is?
X is, well, no, y is root 6 over 3.
Good. I'm going to have to figure that out though. It's root 2
Yeah, so
over
fast.
root 3. We're going to multiply and get root 3 over 3 is our multiplying factor, which is root 6 over 3. Is that the answer you told me?
Root 6, yeah.
Great job. Wow.
I already did.
You did it fast. Root 6 over a full 3. If the one side is root 6 over 3, then the two side is?
2 root 6 over 3.
Very good. That's root 6 over 3 times 2 over 1 will give you this answer. I'll try to squeeze the scale factor in there, but it's not so simple. The scale factor is the same as our one side. It's the root 6 over 3. All right, and number 30, please. 1, 1 root 2 or 1 square root of 3, 2?
1, 1, root 2.
And 12 root 2 over root 2 would give us how much?
12.
12. That means our scale factor is 12. Oops. And that means each of x and y equals 12. Remember, divide to get in, multiply to get out. Echo. Yep. Thanks. Okay, let's go. Go ahead and kill it.